So this is the money site. Anything, it doesn't matter what it is, anything, it could be a YouTube video, it could be a press release, it could be a bookmark. It doesn't matter. If the link on this site says, hey, go to hairdresserschorley.co.uk, that would be considered a tier 1 link. Okay, now I've got a YouTube video that says, hey, go to Hairdressers Chorley. I build some social bookmarks to that YouTube video. It doesn't just have to be social bookmarks. It could be a press release. It could be a link from my Facebook page saying, hey, look, I created a YouTube video. It could be a link from somebody else's website saying, hey, check out this YouTube video. Anything that links back to something that links back to my site is a tier 2 link. Okay, and this can go on infinitely. You can have tier 3 links, tier 4 links, tier 5 links. The more powerful these links are, the more power it's going to push to these links that link directly to your website. Okay, so as you start getting a bit more advanced with SEO, let me just get rid of all of that and tidy it up a little bit. As you start getting more advanced with SEO, what most people focus on doing is they really focus on building strong tier 1. Okay, we want links from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google Plus, Yellow Book, Better Business Bureau, all of those types of really good quality links. They link directly back to the website. But now we've got this Yellow Book listing, and it's okay, but it's not amazing. So most people, probably 90% of SEOs, stick to building links here. Okay, and you'll see a website that says it's got I don't know, 10,000 referring domains, which basically means 10,000 websites that link back to the money site directly, okay? And they might be ranking number 4 in Google. But then you look at the website that's ranking number 1, they don't have 10,000 tier 1 links. They've only got 500 tier 1 links, okay? Not 10,000. Why have they only got 500? Because these tier 1 links are so powerful, because whoever was doing this SEO strategy said, well, every time I build a tier 1 link, I'm going to fire some links at it to make it even more powerful. Okay, and so there's two sort of schools of thought with SEO. Some people just keep saying, sod it, let's just keep smashing as many tier 1 links at our website as possible. And other people say, no, that's a little bit silly. Let's not build as many tier 1 links, but let's make sure that we make those tier 1 links as powerful as possible by building more links to them. And there's no right or wrong way to doing that, guys. That's literally down to personal preference. There's absolutely a case for doing both ways. And that's what makes SEO so exciting, right? There's so many, there's loads of ways to skin a cat. Just from my own personal experience, I neglected tier 2 links for quite a long time. I invested heavily in a PBN network, spent tens of thousands of dollars on a PBN network, and I just kept chucking more and more tier 1 links at stuff until they eventually ranked. That gets very expensive though, because you're constantly chasing the absolute best quality, right? By saying, okay, well, I've already got a lot of best quality, I can go a little bit less quality because it's going to my tier 1, it's not going directly to my website. It'd probably work out much cheaper as a long-term strategy.